Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to create people per hour account. So you can just open the Google browser and you will just simply type the website of people per hour, and here is you can hire for clients and hire for a freelancer. So I want become a freelancer and I will provide my services to accounts. So here you can just type your first name. You can fill the detail, your first name or last name, and your email address and your password. So you can fill it accurately. So I will hide because it's our privacy. So you can just fill the details and you have to click to continue. So here is my account is created. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.